Yo, physically fit. Physically fit. Yes, my people. Now, let me reduce this YouTube. You can't be blocking my face. My people, I salute you. Grand rising, grand rising. Welcome to this Thursday broadcast. I salute each and every one of you. Please hit the like button. Like and share the video as you are joining. Like and share. We will not let the losers dictate the terms of surrender. It will never happen. The losers don't write the terms of surrender in anywhere. It's never happened and it will not happen in our time. Igbo Abucha, I see you. Kendrick Obinna. There are those of you that are watching on Undiluted Truth, the Big Masquerade and the Ijele Speaks remix. Sorry, I'm reading only the comments from the king of the game. That's the only thing the only one I can be able to read. But very soon, everything will be ready. The computers will be set up. And I'll be able to read everyone's comments. We see that these Umutobo are seriously regrouping. Many of them have just been hibernating. They've started again and they are waiting for the election to come to start properly. Then they will be working for their politicians. Please, my people, you know, like in every war, you have things that are appearing grainy. So, you know, they call it, I believe they call it fog of war, F-O-G, fog of war. So that fog of war means that many information will not be clear at first. And of course, most information are never clear at first until with time you begin to piece things together. Let nobody be under any illusion that the Imo state government is the one protecting Gentle. No. But there are politicians from Okigwe, I mean people from Okigwe senatorial zone that are actually protecting Gentle. You know, the way power works in our state, which you've not really realized, is that all those people you see that are close to your governors, they are your governor's eyes. And if you don't put in the right people from your side and you allow, it's usually the criminals that know where the power base is or the fuses you can light and everywhere will explode. So they will know how to position themselves whereby whomever is the governor would always need them and they'll be working for them. So that's what is happening in these Okigwe things. I'm not seeing the comments, so waiting the sub. Only the first two comments came up and I'm not. Can you people hear me? Because this is the only way I can be sure that people are hearing me. Can you people hear me? Tell me in the comment. I'm just seeing Igbo Abuchi and Kendrick Obinna. Can you people hear me? Or maybe it's even better I'm not seeing the comments. So we'll concentrate on this one said that video na AI. No worry now, I go see on herself. Now, those people in Okigwe that are supposed to be working for the interest of the governor, who is the symbol of power in Imo State, They will go there, do whatever they want to do. Whatever report they feed the governor is what he's going to put out there. Guys, thumbs it up, thumbs it up. She's dropping. So at least let me, why you not go stand one place? You not go just the watch, keep working. Now make them they report this thing. Okay. Now make them, if they report the thing, you go they work. Don't just stand. Even as you're watching, you can be typing like. It helps the stream. Let us all do our bits. So all those people from Okigwe, they are the ones who are doing this rubbish. They are the ones who've crafted their own personal amnesty program. I saw a comment, somebody, let me be blocking almost. So if I'm doing video, I'm not blocking almost, it doesn't make me feel fine. These people, they are the ones that think they own Okigwe and they will decide how they handle Gentle. Okay? So right now, what is playing is this. One of them commented on the video and said, hey, Ijele, hey, we've had peace in Okigwe, even this December. They did not buy anybody. I'm forgetting to mention the two people they kidnapped in Ako. They've not buyed anybody. There is peace in our place. Don't come and spoil it for us. So, because Gentle, the Yahoo, and the Angel Makeup are no longer buying the people of Okigwe, all the people they've been buying before will not be a waste, right? So, because he's no longer buying anybody in your community, all the people they took to the Mother Valley in Osu and buy them there. All the people they collected their vehicles, buy them. All the heads went to do sacrifice. All the heads where them caught, go do sacrifice. That one will now go like that just because your own village is now Kamodi Kisha Dionoma. You see that dual morality. Dual morality, you see what they do on. I've told you people, most of Ndi Igbo currently are the worst people you can ever deal with, so long something is not directly affecting them. They don't care. So long that thing is not directly. So you are telling me, because he's no longer buying people in Okigwe, we all should keep quiet. All the people from the 27 local government areas in the Imo State have lost people, not one person, people to Gentle and his gang. Because when you are talking about Gentle, you are talking about Butuzo. You are talking about Angel Makeup. You are talking about B44. You are talking about IPS. You are talking about each and every single one. Even the sapele they used to work under. Do you notice nobody is making mention of sapele? So the same politicians that are protecting these people, and you know your governors, many of them have no ears. They only listen to what all those people they have physical contact, direct contact with, because those people may have done one or two things for them. They think, oh, these are the people I should always trust. So whatever they feed them is what they do. This may be why this guy, I will come to him later. But let's address the video of Angel Makeup. There are 1,001 apps, free apps, you can use to check whether a video, don't let it call in the longest time, Happy New Year, to check whether a video is AI generated or is a real video. You can use any of those apps if it's not obvious to you yet. And people are telling you they saw Gentle and his boys at their community. In fact, it was the PG of his community that went and drove those his boys and brought them to that meeting. Gentle was there in that place he went to get them from. Yes. For those of you who don't know, I want you to see this photo now. Watch this photo and they marked. You see that red mark? What do you see there? This is that prayer and the meeting they had 2nd of January 2026. Gentle and his boys were in that meeting. Gentle was somewhere waiting for his boss and they went and drove his boys. Did you see that red mark you see there in that video, in that photo? I will still post the photo. Is the AK, one of Gentle's bodyguards, carried to that meeting. Watch the AK. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the AK there? So ask them, who are those boys protecting? For those of you that saying, oh, the video, how about this one? Is this one AI too? I'm telling you, they visited the place on January 2nd. They were present, and if I will still play this video to you people. I will play this video. But then, sorry, let me remove it. No, I want you people to be seeing this, my beautiful face. Don't worry, you say it's not clear because it's far. I will share the video. So you, when you are watching it, you get to there, you pause. I will even share the photo individually. I will share it separately. Are you understanding now? So relax yourself. Now, let us debunk the lie of that video being an AI generated video. Let us debunk it. Okay? Let us debunk that one. Have you seen any person as daft as, you know, say stupidity? They be like DNA code. No two people are stupid in the same way. That illiterate and makeup, that bad English way in the vomit, which kind AI, which AI useless to repeat such useless English when they speak? Say you know they see, your eye know they work now. You go hear person, AI they speak that kind of wrong English where this guy they speak. Answer me. Oyibo ndị ụjọ akwụkwọ ọ na-asụ ha eri, o nwere AI na-asụ ya. Let me block another also. If you go AI na-ata eri odoro ọnụ ahụ, go and play the video again. Oyibo and makeup, or the bo and makeup stupidity day too, iti body bonke ya, iti mpataka nke ya, or the times two. If you go no zona asu, or the nonsense oyiba, no computer can copy that stupidity. No computer we copy that stupidity. Even Gentle the Yahoo now, when he will bring out his own video, you people will start shouting, oh, it's AI. So you bohana sugo do no go sirigi na umu itia ya abo computer. This I said the video is AI. Now let me play you the voice note they shared into their many Igbo groups. So if the video is AI, now tell me about this voice note. Where my JBL first? JB one mama. Jenu na kwa powerhouse ebutego new speaker. I nanda. Let me connect the speaker. So I want to play the voice note. And you, AI expert, on our way no, we know AI and no AI. Tell me how this one too is AI generated. I'm coming. This video, this voice note I want to play for you now was the precursor to the video he made. This thing was sent to me on Sunday. Hold on, I'm coming. It was sent to me on Sunday. I'm coming. If you check here, you see that this message was sent on Sunday. Wait, let me cover the name and do it like this. So you see that it was sent on Sunday. You see Sunday there. I don't want to show the name of the person, but you can see that this thing was sent on Sunday. This is Sunday here. You have to read it from right to left to understand it. Are you understanding? This voice note was sent in their village, the Okigwe community, different series of WhatsApp groups from that side. Now, hear this voice note. If the video is AI, this one, uncle.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of us of freedom, all over the world. I want to bring this information, but before I proceed from the information, I want to thank the Chief of Defense Staff, CDS of Biafra Nation, in the person of General Igwe Botozo, the Igwe High Temple. I am so much happy for the privilege.
Now AI go to speak this wrong English, abi. Neniti Ugu akuno na village. Neiti mpataka. Or AI gana suheri yo na suheri now. We are coming on.
He has given to me for me to come up to address their France over the death rumor that Nnamdi is no more, that Nnamdi is dead, that the Nigerian army have killed, assassinated, eliminated Nnamdi. That is why I have been given the privilege to come to the...
Okay, can AI say I has been given the privilege? Nenu utobo. Now look at English, be marking it down. AI now so I has been given the privilege. Okay. Will they come?
The death rumor. And before I proceed on that, I will never forget to thank and salute and appreciate the Major General Gento de Yahoo, who always give me the privilege, and who has already, who have given me another privilege in this year, 2026, for me to come to address Biafrans over the rumor of RIP of Nnamdi. So, I want...
Do you see how he called 2026? Doris, leave them. Doris Ogala, welcome. Leave them. 2026. Computer na see 2020. No. Oyibo ndi uja akwụkwọ. 2026. Na akpa ka ndị mbuka. Computer na so oyibo ndị mbuka.
So, I want all Biafrans to help me to thank and appreciate these two hardcore
True
freedom
criminals.
fighters in the
True
persons of
heartless criminals.
General Igwe Butozo and Major General Gento the Yahoo and all other commanders, state commanders, who has contributed in one way or the other in giving me the privilege to address Biafrans over the death rumor. Now, today is 18th of January 2026, being Sunday, and the person you are hearing his voice, it still remains your brother.
It still remains.
Angel Makeup. I am alive. And I want to use this opportunity to appreciate His Excellency, the Prime Minister of a Biafra Republic government in exile. Because we have only Prime Minister, which is Mazi Simon Ekpa. And I want to also to appreciate and continuously praying for the unconditional release of our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a prisoner of conscience.
Okay.
And I want to use this opportunity to address the consensus peoples of the world and the leaders of conscience that Angel Makeup is alive. I want to also to appreciate and thank His Excellency President Donald Trump, the President of the United States of America, for his good job, for his good work, for his godly assistance for Christian communities in Nigeria, because there is a very serious genocide against Christian communities in Nigeria. The Islams, the Muslims is continuously killing Christians in Nigeria, especially southeastern parts, precisely the land of Biafra.
Are you seeing it? Are you seeing where the so-called Christian genocide is coming from? Oh, he knows that they are buying Christians in the southeast, but they now want to sell you that Fulani herdsmen. I told you that Christian genocide, it is Fulani herdsmen by another name. It didn't work. People are now seeing that it is not Fulani herdsmen that are buying anybody in Igbo land. They are not buying anybody in Igbo land. But because they have used hatred to stop you people from thinking, you went along with it. See Makeup now. See Utobo Makeup is now giving it to you. Would you now wake up and stop repeating this nonsense? Have you seen how easily they con you people time after time after time after time? So they are no longer saying they are not buying people in the southeast. Oh, now that it is Muslims. Meanwhile, these are the people that are buying Igbo Muslims. Don't please, our sister Kati have told me to stop using that Igbo Muslim, and I see sense in her. It is Muslims in the southeast. Let me block one also. It is now Muslims in the southeast. They are buying. This is another justification for them to keep on buying Muslims in the southeast. And believe me, if not that people rose up and countered that rubbish, by now they would have used it as a means to catch up, to start again. That is why anybody that is trying to revive this Biafra nonsense, from Wazurike to any of them. And anybody repeating this garbage that Muslims are the ones buying people in the southeast should be considered the most evil person. From Uchemefo to anybody. I saw the video Uchemefo released. Because he will always want to placate the criminals, his fellow Biafra criminals. He said, we know the ones the Fulanis are doing. Which ones are the Fulanis doing? Please, let me be blocking my Umutobo. Which ones are they doing? The same thing with makeup. Have you seen how they keep deceiving you people? Are you seeing it now? Let's continue.
Appreciate and thank all Biafrans who will hear my voice today and be revived. Who will hear my voice today and be destroyed? Who will hear my voice today and be healed? Because I know that many people will be healed from their wound through this voice that they are hearing, that Angel Makeup is still alive, that Major General Yahoo is still alive, that General Igbo Putozo is still alive, that all state commanders and hardcore freedom fighters, they are all alive. We go nowhere. We are not dead. Nothing happens to the men on the ground. The men on the ground are strong. So I want to use this opportunity to warn all the demonic and the evil and the paid bloggers to repent. Because, and I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all the lovers of freedom and the Biafrans all over the world for them to wait for my upcoming broadcast to address Biafrans on what actually happens. And very, very soon, it will not be too long, that Major General Yahoo and the General Igwe Putozo will address Biafrans on live stream. So wait until what you have just heard from me comes out. Very soon you are going to hear from Major General Yahoo. He is healthy. He has recovered from the poison that was given to them. Nothing happens to him. Nobody arrested him. Nobody killed him. Likewise, Angel Makeup, that you are hearing his voice, nobody arrested him. Nobody attacked him. Nobody killed him. So this is my voice. It is not AI. God bless you. As you...
Did they hear them? Let me block Woz. You they hear them? He is telling you it's not AI. And you are falling for the lies being paid. You know, these ones no get sense. Normally, they suppose hide, go where nobody go see them. But they must always do that one where they take the own go specialist. So, their members, on the surface, these ones are hiding. All this noise where they make, now inside hiding place, they do them now. If you listen to this voice note, I will share it in our WhatsApp groups. As you are listening to that voice note, you go to hear birds chirping in the background. And if we developed our military the right way, you see those birds where they chirp, is it auto what? What do you call those people that specialize in bird again? I don't want to butcher the words. So I'm blanking out on please, I'm forgetting the name, but I can remember it later. I don't want to butcher it. I'm blanking on it now. Those people that specialize in birds, when they hear that bird, they will find the places those birds they did for Okigwe. That thing alone go give out the location where these fools stay. You see, we get many of all these things now, but we know they use them again. If you go to North, you go see falconers. We get falcons. You go just send that falcon, tie a small camera for the neck here or the leg. And send it to that area. Once you fly that area where these birds dey, you go see their movement. If no be him directly, you go see those people where they are around there. So to show you, say these ones now inside bush, then they hide, they talk this nonsense. So, but they must always bring themselves out. People were supposed to hide though, they don't come. Now that AI nonsense you are hearing is the damage control from the people that ate the money. I'm sure they collected big money from Hope Uzodinma in order to go and eliminate these people by other means. And they were the people that still gave the government the false information that they've buy them. They were the ones that took it to the army. Now, don't blame the army too much. Because since these people say, oh, army, I beg, stand aside, let's do this job. Of course, army cannot come and say, oh, we are using such means. No. When these people say they were successful, and they believe because they trusted the people that said they want to go do the thing. So that story of arresting them or whatever was just a cover story. Go and check all the militaries and they get cover story. Now, why even America gone, all of them where they buy for Ukraine, even the ones where they buy for Syria those days, they go come, you go here, say, oh, one general, one colonel, you go, they ride a bicycle, helicopter jammer. Okay? And ornithologists, yes, of course, ornithologists. They helicopter jam them where they ride in keke. Oh, this one. Or if not, just all these special forces, they will say their helicopter crash during training. It is normal. Okay? Let me block one also. It is normal. It's a normal thing. So it is not as if, how would army protect such person? If you believe that thing, I have a bridge to sell you. Okay? I have a bridge to sell you if you believe that garbage. So nobody planned anything with them. All right? Let's continue.
As you wait for the upcoming broadcast, may Almighty God destroy the enemies of their friends. And may Almighty Chukwukabiama destroy and disgrace all if
who they call me
and disgrace all evil bloggers, all DOS demonic bloggers,
Genesis.
All the people who rejoiced, all the enemies of Biafra, all the enemies of Mass Nnamdi Kanu, all the enemies of Mass Hemonepa.
They hear the bird.
Shame and disgrace, death. Is that the same trap? That trap they set for the men on the ground. In the same trap, I am mandating the Nigerian state government to begin to pick them one by one because they have no verified information. How can you come on social media to say that somebody who is alive is dead? Now, I am alive. That's why you are hearing my voice.
So now you're going to give us all that now.
Shame to Nigerian state government.
Shame to you and your family.
Who never verified information before giving. And I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans, to tell Biafrans, to make Biafrans understand that all those propaganda on social media by then, through Jovika, idiotic man, idiotic human being, through Iken Gurago, through Ijele, king of the game, through Fearless Voice, through all those
egbe elu gbọgbuo gị ịrahụ ụra ị gaghị etete ọkwa gị tọnda ga-egbu gị ọ bụ na ha ngighi isi gị somewhere n'ala Igbo ma a na ọbụghị ọkwa gị ọ bụ na ha ngighi isi gị somewhere n'ala Igbo gụpụ m na mmadụ anụmanụ ị na-akpọ nna gị nna tọnda gbọdikwa gị isi dị very useless food. Ijele yeah, did he call bless themselves? Who else did the Utobo mention? Wait, let me go back.
Verified information. How can you come on social media to say that somebody who is alive is dead? Now, I am alive. That's why you are hearing my voice. Shame to Nigerian state government who never verified information before giving. And I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans, to tell Biafrans, to make Biafrans understand that all those propaganda on social media by then, through Jovika, idiotic man, idiotic human being, through Iken Gurago, through Ijele, king of the game, through Fearless Voice, through all those demonic and demonic bloggers. The Almighty God will punish all of you. You people that are killing Biafrans, killing Christians. And I want to bring this notice to the international community, to the world, that Nigerian state government are
Thunder, you see that course where you the course he go follow you, follow your full generation, follow all those politicians where they sponsor you, starting from your PG of your community to your local government chairman. Thunder go fire all of them. Hope Uzodimma, who did you make the chair lady of Okigwe LGA? They need to immediately sack the LG chairwoman of Okigwe first. If we are serious about fighting this insecurity. This person shouting AI or AI na asuheri nonsense anumana AI on ataheri odoro onua. AI na asu this RIP English or ye na agwam. So in a chegwam na AI bụ na asu RIP English Who is the one self? Who send on her? Who send on her? Okay, no, now they wish them life or what? Let me block one Ozu.
They have no truth in them. Even though they see truth, but they will lie. The same way they lie that Angel Makeup is a kidnapper. The same way they lie that Angel Makeup is a criminal. In just the same way they lied that Angel Makeup is a terrorist.
Okay.
In the same way they lied that they have killed Angel Makeup.
Okay, hold on. You see how he's mixing truth and lies. This is where they confuse you people now. So, if you know the bad person, why are your own people now telling us to leave you people? Say, we know the bad people again. Understand the initial argument. Ijele, leave us. We are Kigwe people. This is how we decided to solve our own problem. Now, the same person, you are telling me that we should leave him, that he is no longer buying people. Is now telling you that they are lying against him of buying people. So, which one is it? Ungo specialist. You only need to let them talk. And when they are talking, don't interrupt them. Don't interrupt them. They will start from point A opposing point B, and by the end of the thing, they will be arguing from point B against point A. Akwefunanda had smart. And no computer can copy this stupidity. Iberi-benda, odehebo, onwe AI system did this stupid. Onwe any AI system di iberi-bo tua. Are you not seeing the background noise? Does it look like, see, Oga, go check, just you do yourself a favor. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store, type in AI detection technology, AI video detector. You will see many of them. Just find the ones where then they pay $3 per month. Some of them na one-time payment you go buy, some na $7, some na $9. Use your card, use your Visa or MasterCard and pay. Even Valve card self, they work in most of them. Valve card works on most of them. You pay and get your own verifier. Get your own verifier. This is the internet age. No be everything me and you go consider and here they argue. Or maybe an information that you can literally search from any website in the world. All you need to do is just type your search engine, whether na Yandex or what they use. Just type them there. It go bring you out. It go bring her out. And me and you go dey drag. Whether the current time for California and so this or so. No, just use your phone. Check out. This is how AI is. You see electronic. Now, people will no sabi use internet or technology. Go they tell you, oh, technology. What thing you go do? Anyone, no be code where person right. The exact opposite, they there too. No matter how sophisticated you think say it dey, the same people don't still build the system where you go still they use the detector. It be like when they create virus finish, announce also virus they exist before you know them, it don't affect people. Now the same people go still announce the cure day. In case you've not understood the wash word, worosi woro word where would they live in, make I dey explain them to you.
The makeup. And today being the 18th, I have come to debunk that falsehood. And urging Biafrans, telling Biafrans to disregard any information from those evil and the demonic bloggers, from those agents of Nigerian state government, Islamic state government. I am here, live and direct, urging you through this voice notes for you to disregard those fools.
Say na AI they speak this gagadi. Now say na AI they speak this kind of English. Oh, if you go Utobo AI before, have you seen an Utobo AI or AI Utobo? Have you seen it before? Neno you na suheri kese mubu AI. Eh? Ayi anumana na ebe ekuheri kese mubu AI.
Fools who don't want the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu, those who don't want the freedom of Simansi Semanekpa, those who has embraced Islam.
Those who has Islam.
But it no go work.
Make I tell you, if I am going back to religion tomorrow, me, I will be a Muslim. If I no go that select church, you see that Baba Aladura, we pursue the church people on Monday, say may they go find work. Say may they come pray only on Sunday. If I no go in church, I no go Prophet Abubakar church, na Muslim I go be. Have you seen how they are now introducing attack on Muslims for you? Are you understanding it now? No mind them AI where they stagger. Geoffrey. AI where they stagger. Where they stammer. You dey see am? My people, they are conditioning your mind to accept more buying. Election, they come. They don't know any other thing. They can't buy people anymore as enemies of Biafra because it's obvious that there is no Biafra anywhere. Ishimon on at Sokoto. Their own Agaba de Sokoto now. So that one don't go. Now another means where they want to start be this. This is why we are calling for the thorough investigation of Owazurike. This nonsense when in the start, what exactly is he going to back it up with? Because Ndi Igbo have never accepted that Biafra at will. It has always been with force, intimidation, buying, extortion. So who are the people he's using? Or the Okigwe people gather and want to unite all their forces as one? This is the bigger picture we need to look at. Okay? Are you understanding me now?
I am coming up very soon to address Biafrans on live broadcast. May Almighty Chukwukiabiyama continue to bless the men on the ground.
May Ajane continue to punish you people. On go have see for those of you that are saying, no, Ijele, you are afraid of them. You are just afraid of who? Do you think these people have anything and it requires the deception of Okigwe politicians? It requires this fake amnesty. Do you think they would have accepted anything if they were strong? No. What they need to do is deal with every single person, whether you're civilian or law enforcement, whose hand is in this. There is nothing difficult in solving this insecurity in Igbo. Nothing. Ability, please inbox me. Okay? Ability, inbox me. I need as many people as possible from Ako. Me. I go come Ako myself. Me. Go mark am somewhere. Una go see me for that Ako. One way or another, this issue must be resolved. Now, that takes us to Ediafon. I will still make a short video and specifically address Ediafon. And for those who, please, lest I forget, let me play the video of that meeting in their place, January 2nd. Let me play the video of that their meeting. So you people, we know that our Bataga. Hey, where is this video? No, I must find it. See it here. I know so I get them. See the video here. You will see that gun. Olugangu. The voice, yeah.
Jesus. Oh, we need to know about Jesus. Onye nwa na Chineke, anyị na-ekele gị. Anyị na-asọpụrụ gị. Anyị na-ebuli aha gị elu. Onye nwa anyị na-asị imeela n'ihi ndụ gị nyere anyị. Imeela n'ihi nchekwa gị. Imeela n'ihi otuto ọma gị. Anyị na-asị imeela n'ihi ihe niile. Na-asịkwa gị imeela eme ka ọ dị otu n'ụbọchị taa. Na-asị na ekele n'aha Jizọs. Ya mere Chineke anyị na-asị. Ọ bụ ka anyị nwere ụbọchị taa Piano, you know, all you feel of the Ijele. Piano, you know, Jesus. That will not. You may hear you there. Can't you make a hand just out there? We can put that again. Udochia, na Jesus.
Amen.
Udochia, na Jesus.
Amen.
Udochia, na Jesus.
Amen.
Onye nwanya Chineke. Ga were onye nwanya kwa ngwa ọrụ itu ebido again. Da were kwa ngwa ọrụ itu eme ka ha dị egwu.
Shebi una don see am. They were, and the day where this meeting they go on, and Makeup was in Umulo. He was in Umulo Lokigwe. The person that brought this information is inside this meeting. He even passed and Makeup like this for road. So you are telling these people, those people who carry that gun inside that video, now who? Now who then they protect? Who were they there on his behalf? Makandi AI. This one too now AI. Eh? This one too now AI. Wisdom Nation. Just change your name to Utobo Nation. Making more sense. Change it to Bureke Nation. So, you know, say, maybe they pain you as you see now because of phone screen. I cover this thing. I define my glasses. I lost my glasses. I don't know where I kept it. Here, it is everywhere. What happen in issue window? I will go and look for it there. As screen they disturb me like this, you self go buy something weird. Anya de hogim, anya ga na de hom moto and kem na de he. JJ cho bottle puru na anya. Okay? Cho bottle puru na anya ni ishi adịghị mma. Ikpuchazie bottle na anya esi na efu ha egbo adị na that video. Then I chose screwdriver, lose go do some not to adịghị n'isi manda ga tight manda ga lose ka information when we can a free flow mutable. Let me block you first now from ishi adịghị mma. Let me block you. So you are telling me these ones where we see here now AI too. You dey tell me say na AI. I go post the video. I go use my hand post the video make you see. Let me block. Please, if I miss any YouTube, let me know. Me be blocking almost man. The game they are playing is for them to organize their own individual amnesty program, which is to bring this gentle and his boys now, give them legitimacy. You see that security where they locked for Imo State the other day, all those ones for Okigwe, please, the governor should invite the entire Okigwe outfit. We will bring 5 people from different communities in Okigwe. Their job will be, of course, we'll put them in mask. Put them inside overall. Nobody go know who will be those people. Make them use their hand. They point out all those gentle boys where they give honor. All the Okada people where they do informant for gentle, where they go buy them food, where they supply them food stuff, where they supply them drink. Mandi ne go to Igbo. Mandi tramadol. Mandi miri. All of them are the ones that they now made security from Okigwe. How would you even solve the issue of Okigwe without removing that local government chairwoman? Because all the people that are giving us information are mentioning her name. So start from her first. Then to the, well, let me not even mention many people openly. But I am sure the hand of Amadioha will begin to land on many of them. The hand of Amadioha will begin to land on many of them. That takes us to Ediafon. This guy na DSS personnel. Okay? You can go Ragu is fine. You can go Ragu is fine. We are discussing. I think he has some things he's dealing with. I think it's a private business he's dealing with. So don't be in a confused state about his whereabouts. Ikenga is fine. I spoke with him yesterday. He's probably watching this video now, and I may even call him at the end of this video. Now, this guy, the DSS made a post on X, Twitter, and said that they have disengaged him from service. He's a DSS personnel. Now, our question, well, let me block another also. Our question is this. Something was going on prior to him getting arrested and being disengaged, as the DSS put it. Let me show you that post from DSS Twitter account. This is their official account. You know, some people who've not battled this IPOB nonsense don't know how many legs the octopus gets. Okay? Victor Onyedikachi, this is from the DSS official page. This is the official Twitter account. This was posted 12th October 2025 at 23:40, that is 49, that is 11 minutes to 12, to midnight. To see it, this is the DSS X account. Let me block one also. Anumpam. My bad. See the post here by the DSS, and if you can see, this is where I got my photo from. Now, this guy called somebody I know and told them inside that October, and told those people that they should do one or two things for his group, that they want to go and apprehend Gento that day, because he was supposed to pay off the person that brought the exact location of Gento, and there was no need going to the top or garden to do this, because, you know, so many people don't know where the leakages they come from. And he said, I quote, "If I don't arrest Gento alive today or display his dead body, go and tell the whole world that I'm a criminal." This is what he said. He mentioned that day, and that was the last time he was heard from. His phone is no longer available. His phone is no longer available. Let me block one Uzu. He said that if he does not arrest Gento that day, that the person should tell those people that source for that fund that he's a criminal. Now, we hear that they arrested him. What are they charging him with? We've not heard any statement from the DSS other than this X post. DSS Abuja does not know what's going on. It must be somebody from DSS Imo State Command that would transmit that information to Abuja. Abino be so they work again. Those DSS people were there. Some of them already use fake account. Help me confirm, because I know say on a day here. Make we begin to mention names. Make we begin, but back me up on this, that for Abuja headquarters no go just call this guy if report no come from director of Imo State Command. Are you understanding me now? So, who are the people that gave the Imo State Command those reports that led to the arrest of Edi Afonu? Please, Odogwata, Ifeanyeke Mezie, Zoranks, Bright Onwebu, so one of you should please send me that video of Gentle threatening Edi Afonu. Because we want to know what gave Gentle that type of guts to threaten Edi Afonu that way. Let me block Umos. You know, when we are hitting the court, you know it by the comments they will be releasing with their fake accounts. It could be the same Utobo makeup or Ekpedima Gentle. Okay? Go and watch. Somebody send me that voice note. I will incorporate it into the small video I want to do. We know there are moles in the police Imo State Command, but what we don't know is how many moles we have in the DSS. I know how these people set people up. Probably there is somebody that they will send from behind to send him money. Of course, you have to appreciate the workers. And maybe he will accept the money. They will now go and tell them that he is extorting people. How do you mean extortion? How do you mean extortion? Somebody that is involved in this type of deadly, and we are hearing complaints about the poor welfare of operatives in Imo State. It's not as if the governor is not releasing money. Whatever is swallowing that money between the government house and those operatives is what we want to find out. And some people have decided to gather themselves and be funding these people. This is why you saw this relative security in also this December. Okay? Are you understanding me? Let me block another ocho. Umuewu. Inazo beta ipu body in negide. Are you understanding? Are you getting where we are going with this? They would go and set him up. So tell me what Edi Afonu did that will warrant his withdrawal from Okigwe, and he is the only threat to Gentle Enako. What the fuck is going on here? What in the actual fuck is going on here? Who then the wine? We need to write a formal report. Those of you from Okigwe, from Ako Okigwe, just send me 2 people. I will take them to one DSS Oga, although many of them are already listening to this now. I'm going to send this video to them. I'm going to send this video to them. Is it that their people don't want this insecurity to end? Somebody is saying hope. Hope in terms of security, I will give him 7.5. Some of you will think it's too high, but judging from where we are coming from. But the other 2.5 is the most important 2.5, which he doesn't seem to be getting. Without knowing that all these church leaders he surrounds himself with, all these politicians, especially those from Okigwe zone, don't want anything to happen to Gentle and his boys. Remember, these people have no loyalty. If another governor, the governor leaves office and another governor comes and goes to another party, all of them will follow him there. So what do you even owe them? You owe them nothing. Remove all of these people from Okigwe, get new people that would defend your interests and the interests of the state. Let me block another. You are so stupid that you are using the head of your fake agaba, plastic agaba in Sokoto as your DP, and then we are supposed to take you seriously. Like Ikajishi Nani, Buishi Nnamdi Kanu, Akwan, show me the law. In this day and age. So we need to know what happened to Edi Afonu and why he is there. The governor should investigate the DSS in Imo State. First, the director needs to explain to us who are the people that brought the information that led to the arrest of Edi Afonu the same day he was supposed to buy Gentle. So what is actually going on here? Are you understanding, my guys? And for those that did not start this video with us, the no video or voice note of Njemeko is AI. Nothing is AI there. This is what they are using to do the damage control. The people that are using them have seen the mistake of Njemeko and the rest of them. For whatever reason, I've been trying to make this video, but it is because of that report, that formal complaint that his community people sent how many days ago? 10 days ago now. Not this past Monday, the Monday, 2 Mondays ago. And that thing is at the DSS. Remember, we mentioned it on this platform. So they couldn't bear it in, man. They know they are meeting with so many people now. And since we started mentioning about that meeting they had 2nd January, they had no choice but to come out. So the people making money from this, the people that are actually controlling them, they are part of damage control is to call this AI. Okay? And my brother now waiting, we see they ask them, why want to arrest this boy? Let me block one Ozu. Let me block another Mpama. You know, say if I know they block people, you know they give me joy. Are you getting me, guys? They really need to investigate everything. This is a pure setup. As somebody who has gone through their setup before, I can tell you this is a setup. And they may be trying to get him to be comfortable with living gentle. He refused. So they set him up. Are you understanding me now? They need to clean us, Okigwe. That Okigwe needs to be cleaned. All the people that are involved in this Okigwe thing, the governor should sack each and every one of them. They are the people, the same people that put the army in this condition with eggs on their face. We need to know what happened to Edi Afonu. If not, you are destroying the confidence of all the people. Do you think there are no people who are seeing Gentle that want him eliminated? They are afraid of coming out. And with what happened to Edi Afonu, what would even give many of them confidence to come out again? The people genuinely fighting to bring security. And for you Okigwe people, please, it's not in your hand to decide what will happen to Gentle. Hey, our village is now calm. Oh, so these people, how many people did he come to buy in Osu? How many? So you think Osu people are happy seeing Gentle? That army girl went by, no be that army couple be the first people went by for there. Yes, Eddie Afonu is in custody. Christo B. Eddie Afonu is in custody. So how are we really seriously fighting insecurity? Huh? Do you realize they want to jail all the people? That's how they, that you don't know is bigger than you. Fuck you. We know all of you. We know all the politicians. We know all the people. And guys, to show you that these people are not powerful, why would they go to the length of setting people up? Because they know that on the level ground, they can't compete. They can't compete. Hence the need to be setting people up. It happened to me too. You people think it was Nwa Baby Virgin. It's a lie. It is these people that own IPOB, your politicians, all of them. Just that Nwa Baby Virgin will pay the price. Should be the judgment now they go. So we'll go see. We go see. Now all of them. And they are doing that thing because you people are useless and stupidly following them. Yes. People that are of no worth to you. They are praying for us. If not their prayer. Which prayer? How many people are praying for Norway? Look at you. Look at Norway. How many people are praying for China? See, you see China. Whatever it is Afonu did, why don't you put it in the cooler first and let him finish this job in Akokiwe first? Because they want to remove every obstacle. They want to remove every obstacle against Gentle. It will not happen. You see this nonsense thing where they set up saying as security. How many camps have they destroyed since then? But Omaka camps are still there. Omunoha camps are still there. Afara camp, not Afara Ibeku, Afara Mbitoli camp, they there. Denda Akata. They are still patrolling as there. This is for Anambra State people. They are this is what I learn on them they do. Tell us saying they whine himself. In the whine himself. I saw him speaking to people in his community. Oh, nobody should use what they did in the past to insult them. Everybody, what? Oh, you know them. Not that you don't know them. See, the only thing that will solve this issue is civilian JTF. And I am telling you, we will push for it and we no go carry pump action na AK. We go carry. We go carry only AK and machine gun. Just 2-3 operations go convince people. People will pour funding into it. They no go take any money from anybody to start them. But the kind woto we una go see. We go make sure say if they get 100 bullets, we get 1,000. Nothing way we no go. This one no be say this community go. It's a lie. All we need is direct intel from our members from your community. We no care who. If na your local government chairman, if na your PGO, if na your parish priest, if na your party leader, dear, one everybody go down. There must be real peace. This graveyard peace we no agree. They cannot set the tone for the country. It's a lie. Me block another also. Bube, sibu top. Okay? Ebube one na gebu top. Abuho ndi bidori ibu mmadụ ga-ekwu mgbe ọ ga-akwụsị ise lie. Also, mmadụ 8 from an Igbo. Ọ ga-abụ mmadụ 8 that nobody would even want to dare his neighbor. A ga-ejiriri ọbara asa ọbara. Don't worry, leave Mother Valley, you go solve. Make I answer somebody from Okiwe. Hello? One can amen. Don't worry. Auntie again a speaker. And I'm live. Okay. Okay. Neku. Yes. 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 Okay. Ezo. Yes. Yes. Yes, you told me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So what? Don't worry, check and make a video can bug you. I'm with many things to discuss. Dalo one. Dalo. Ikenga. Udo the one in Sobano. Dalo. Okay. Unique Monachim inbox me on this page. Okay? Inbox me. I will no the phone they loud, no be the speaker, the phone they loud. Inbox me. If you want to speak to me, inbox me. You ought to go if it's something that is very important to carry it, we'll take it up from there. And for those of you asking about Ikengu Uruagu, maybe I will call Ikengu Uruagu for our presence. Make on know say Ikenga de okay. I don't know why you people are worried. They do many things. You know, say people get their private things where they do. And they call Ikenga. His phone they ring. My Ikenga phone they call so. Hello? One again can I man? On a speaker otumuna gene kuna. Speaker otumuna gene kuna. Ndị mmadụ na dey worried. Ndị mmadụ dey worried isi ka ebe nọ enwere ihe nwere ike ikwu ọbụgo 2 minutes ọ dị ka akpọte ngị n'ụra.
I'm okay.
We're English We're English and I'm live.
Okay, just like I told you, all is well. We just need to strategize and know how to do things. And you have seen the people that we are dealing with. And you have also seen our so-called leaders. They are not ready to tell us what they want. If they are seeking for, a new country, or they want to pull out from Nigeria, or they want to stay and fix Nigeria, we don't know exactly what they want. So everyone needs to be very careful.
Yeah.
But to give up is impossible.
Yes.
It's impossible, no matter what. So that's all for now.
Oh.
That's all for now.
Thank you so much, my brother. I really appreciate. My regards to your family.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you.
And I don't hear him now. Share and I don't hear him. You can't get there okay. Alright? You can't get there okay. So everybody calm yourselves. We are doing so many things. So nobody keep quiet. We no go let this thing. It no go happen now. For this Nigeria again. And if they need their fraud, this is the National Assembly at my backyard here. Let them go there and demand it. Stop using their fraud to recruit boys you will be using for your political gains. January to December, decade to decade. You are Biafra. It is Ibani Biafra the Tatani Bonabi. Biafra. And you go past, you go do you like this. Umuewu. You now go carry Imagadi Biafra. Father is Ukatika is our prophet, apostle is. Imahonanda didn't on a percentage. Iche na bishop gije fucha governor na apụ ebe a na ọ na-agba aka ana. Ọbịa bụrụ nke dịka Hope Uzodimma. Onwe ha chọọchị ọbụla ọ tere okwu ọ na-adị enye ha dollars. And you think they will not want it to continue? Umutobo. So all of these things now they contribute to all this rubbish. And you, as you name sense. You are not even angry that na ejigi emepemperempe. Nejo njoro ka na atụ gị. Neye ndị politicians ju na atụ jonjoro ka akwefuru unu. Chia. This one say this guy igburu nne gị ka nna gị. This guy gbawara ikpu nne gị ka ogini. Anụ mpama. Ozu. Umutobo. They wasted your grandparents. They wasted your parents. They are currently wasting you. And they will still do it to your children. Okay? They will do it to your children except to wake up. People like us, it's a lie. It ends in this generation. We follow them. We either live free or stay free. Like you, I don't have any choice. Our freedom will not be negotiated with Umuoshi. Leave them. They are no longer buying people. So like that. Like we said, when we are talking about an amnesty program, it is these innocent ones that they deceived into joining IPOB ESN. Me block another Ozu. Amnesty is for these innocent ones they deceived into it, not these ones that use it for business, working for politicians, using it to settle scores. Maybe you don't like somebody and you know these criminals, you just go and pay them, they will come, they will carry the person. He says, this sabu bukwegi buonegi buonagi. Onwe keburu ojuku buchaku unu niile. Very useless set of people. Useless people. So, I've told you people, they are using ojuku as a template. And inside them, within them, they'll be saying, after all, how many millions did the ojuku buy? So, no mdu madu buzi ya na abaka okwa. Tondaga bobu nine. They are not any powerful that politicians were in the war for. Your church leaders, all of them, are there. If you need salvation in an Igbo, one, they must remove every single polling unit inside church compounds and the schools owned by churches. Yes. Now you they tell me I don't play video where them attend function. You'd ask me whether then to die alive. I they play you video where they attend functions, you still they ask me. He's alive. My wonderful people, I thank you all for joining me. I would have loved to go on TikTok, but I have many things to get through, many calls to get back to, so many things that this week is going to be a busy one. So I don't know if I'll be able to come on live on TikTok because I love its format. It's very interactive. That being said, my wonderful people, I love you all. Enjoy the best of the day. Don't let anybody discourage you. No discourage on this journey, okay? Yes, Ojukwu is not my level because I'm not willing to go and buy millions of people. Ojukwu he's not my type even, let alone be my level. Because I am not in the business of buying millions of people and putting people in misery. I have every right to insult any single person I want to insult. Okay? I have every right to insult any damn person. This is my right, fundamental human right. Maybe you've not known that. Maybe it's a new concept for you. Right as a freeborn. I don't know how many years freedom has run in your family. You know, all of us know be the same thing, you know. Some people, as at 150 years ago, their family are slaves. So that slavery, they are still in tune with it. They did their DNA. They never expunge and come out for their system. And in most cases, it takes more than 20 generations, which is 200 years. Are you getting me? So maybe now the slave mentality where your great grandfather transferred to your father, now I make you think say Ojukwu na person where you know if you talk with. Then warrior generation after generation. Esim from lineage, they send them man. So I know we are not operating on the same plane. You are from a slave fabric and from the fabric of a freeborn. So those of you that don't have the right to insult criminals like Ojukwu, keep praising them. Why those of us that are born free lineage? I no grow up for place where be say then the farm finish. They say they go carry go give king. Na lie. Okay? We no get that culture. They come for village. They say this one na king land. Any king will get land for a place. Go check am in great grandfathers. Now then get them transfer them to. No be say village land. They say na king get them. So we no come from that kind of place. I hope you are seeing that Igbo is not one. If you go to Igbo, we didn't come from a place. I say, oh, it's not. We are not like that. We are not like that. So most of you, your behaviors, you are not aware that it is from your ancestral lineage. My own ancestral lineage, no be lineage of slavers. We did not trade slaves and we were not slaves. Okay? So you now will accept the position of a slave. This is why I'm telling you, this nonsense democracy, universal suffrage is not good for our society. Some people, even their family, no say they never even read to chook mark put for family matter. Them go they do family meeting, them go raise hand 10 times. Nobody go tell them made them talk. Even when they want talk, when they even point them, people go they murmur. Say, who go point this one? Anyone make this one come spoil this talk now. And I see they talk now. So people go they use eye like this, they talk to each other. You go tell now what people go they do? So, but that same person, because he get smartphone, he buy data, he go come here, they follow us, they chook mouth for matter. My matter of civilizational consequences. And such a person, me go, they cast vote, him too go, they cast vote. What did he know? Saying, what did he know about the society where they cast vote? I'm proposing the return of slavery. We need to bring back slavery, but this time around, it will not be like chattel slavery where you carry person, go sell and call. Now, people will be say, you, this class of citizens, you know, suppose they put mouth for politics. In like, you question no about the public matter. Some of you people should be like religious class. So whenever it's about religious issue, new people, they go push on and go that side, but it will not have to do with politics or the entire society. Believe me, I'm proposing bringing back, we need a class-based society. Imagine the number of people that carry the left ear story for years, and you go coexist with them under the same universal suffrage. No, these people are a threat even to themselves, not the people they hear. They attack those where they expose gentle and then Jamaica. So why do you think such a person should be allowed to cast a vote in an election? Imagine you are a threat to yourself first. Are you understanding? We need class. Fundamental human rights. See, they said fundamental. The key word there is human. Many of these people, their brains have not matured to human level. Imagine somebody believing that a pastor somewhere will pray and he will get so. Like, are you a human? You can be a human. Ona don't chip in human. One neighbor go mad ego. This human status, we don't reduce them. So to anybody, any homo sapien now is what? Is a human being. Why don't we classify apes as human beings? Because then they do many things human beings they do. Not be because person follow you, they waka like this as make a human being. Brain don't rotten, some brain na pause full am. Some brains are not even as mature as monkey brains. Some people they too daft. Imagine somebody, oh, I will go and report you to our pastor. He go use prayer and scatter you. You will see them shaking. Oh, please, no, we die. Church, and this same person will be casting a vote. What? You need to calm down and understand people like us, because we are always looking at the bigger picture. I have said it, I will never run for office again, and not ever, because I've not run before. If I'm going to ever run for office, which is impossible, let's assume in a very rare minuscule chance that I am running for office, my manifesto will be abolishment of universal suffrage. Yes. Before you will have universal human rights, make sure you are talking to humans. Make sure you are talking to humans first. Fundamental human. Can you call any bingo a human being? Fools, under your nose, things are happening. You are not even aware. Imagine somebody believing that a barber from Brixton, a barber in Brixton, of all places in the UK, Oga, Forget Katampe extension. Forget Buzape, Asokoro Metama. Give me Wuye every day. I will take Buye to fine. Give me first stack every day. I will accept it over Brixton. Go and use your phone. Google Brixton. And you are telling me that somebody who believes that a fraudster living in that place, no be say, na him get house, so na Ghana woman carry and put am there as cold weather day now. Him go to service the engine. Ghana woman put am for house. Now you want to destroy Nigeria. Like, if you believe that nonsense, are you supposed to be casting a vote? Eh? Are you supposed to be casting a vote? Please, if these people are human beings, I'd rather be called a different object. Because you can't classify me with this type of useless people. How? My people, thank you so much for your time this morning. Share. Odogwata, please help me find that video where Gentle was threatening Ediafon. This is Ediafon. Please help me find that video. Not just will I use it to do video, I will take it to somewhere, one office today. I will take it there. Then go lodge my complaint. Thank you so much, my people. Like that is my wonderful people, I love you all. My bingos, please stay mad, eh? My people, stay blessed.